Manja! Welcome to this Manja show. I'm Suze Montgomery, your host, and I invited my girlfriend Mary Sue in to actually make something with me for the show. Now this is a recipe I had, oh gosh, I don't know how long, and I gave it to Mary Sue, and more or less like I did with Aiden, I handed her the recipe and said, okay, you go for it, you do it. And I love to watch people cook in my kitchen. I encourage them to cook in my kitchen. I want to see what they know, and how I always learn something from everybody that cooks with me. I don't teach, I do teach, but I learn from them. So explain to us what you did here.
So let's start with Butterfingers, are probably my very favorite candy.
I didn't know that.
It is.
Oh.
And this is a Butterfinger hack. So we took a package of the candy corn, melted it in the microwave, took quite a while, a lot of stirring. And
goes to show you what's it made out of. What's it made out of?
And yes, things we don't want to eat like high fructose corn syrup.
Ew, sugar, corn syrup, confectioner's glaze, shellac! Shellac!
Melted
Earl
shellac.
Shine! $39.95 and no ups. Okay. Salt, dextrose, gelatin. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, you don't want to eat this stuff. Holy
No, stop now.
Okay, oh, sorry. Got a little carried away.
So we melted these, and then I put in a 16-ounce jar of almond butter, mixed it together, put it in the microwave a little bit more, and then, oh, I forgot the very beginning because we decided to do it differently, of course, than the recipe called for. So I melted the chocolate first and put it on the bottom. And then we did all this other part. And put it on top, pushed it a little bit, packed it in, drizzled some chocolate on the top, and
yeah, the crumbs
mixed it up, the crumbs on the top so it looks kind of fancy. And there you got it. Easy as pie.
I gotta finish this. You guys aren't gonna believe what's in here. Okay, dextrose, gelatin, sesame oil, artificial flavor, honey. Actually, a real ingredient is honey in here.
Well, sugar's honey too.
Yeah, yellow 6, yellow 5, and red 3. Holy crap! I mean,
a lot of things we don't want to eat,
so
but it's good.
It's good. It tastes good. I mean, people, you know, sugar. Man, sugar's a problem in this country. I mean, 30 years ago I said that, you know, obesity was going to be the #1 killer in America. By God, it is right now. It's over heart disease now. But, you know, Diabetes. If it tastes good, you got to try it, right? I mean, I'm not endorsing you eat the whole damn plate.
Have a piece.
You got to try it, you know, and you just be the official court taster. At least try it, right? You want to kill the...
Then pass that out to your neighbors.
There you go. My neighbors love me. Anyway, this is an easy one to make. It tastes like Butterfingers, which was really surprising to me. And it wasn't that hard to make outside of us yakking back and forth, which was fun. Cook with your friends, cook with your family. I mean, it's a sense of camaraderie, just to, you know, to be able to share food with people, not just to sit down and eat with them. When I do dinner parties, I invite people to come over and cook with me so they can sit there and enjoy the entire experience. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, and ask them to do the dishes on the way. So write to us at manjaventura@gmail.com. Send us recipes if you want to come on the show, but most importantly, sign up to subscribe to this channel, because then it's free. I mean, you don't have to pay for a thing, and you get some of the levity, some of this, but you get good tips. I'll give you good tips, and also share what's in a bag of candy.
The silliness.
What do we say? Manja!